Garden motor exists for over 30 years now. We are 20 years inside racing, and the big motor behind the company is racing. We've won 10 championships now, 10 world championships with us. Good part of my job is that I can choose the best which is out there in the market, which led us to Solid Edge.
Time is so limited between races. You only have a few days to get a new part produced and ready for the next race. Changes have to be made on the fly. It's important to have a good collaboration between rider, crew chief and designers in the team, because every one of these guys can have ideas to improve the bike. Solid Edge helps the kart racing to quickly explore design options, share information, and speed up the manufacturing process. The flexibility and mobility of having Solid Edge available on the spot enables us to work on designs right when new ideas are born. During the racing season, if we discover a part's not reliable enough, we have the possibility to start designing a new part on the track while racing. And that's the flexibility we need to be on top. Creating a new part from scratch in no time is very easy using synchronous technology, and that's important to us, especially during the racing season. We can quickly check out design options and understand exactly where and how to make trade-offs as needed. We can finish a new design or change the design within minutes or hours, get it off to the manufacturer and have it done way in time for the next race. The faster we're able to translate new ideas to new designs, the faster we're able to improve our bike and by that improve the results during races.